Since 1953, Ayers Career College has helped thousands of people begin rewarding high-demand careers. Today, we're focusing on training in healthcare, technology, and the skilled trades. These are jobs that won't go away in a crisis. And our flexible schedules, modern training center, and commitment to job placement makes us the perfect choice for today's students. In the Ayers School of Information Technology, we can prepare you for a rewarding and exciting new career as a computer or IT professional in just a few months. Our Information Technology Specialist program can prepare you to become a certified IT professional, working with computer and networking systems. You'll learn to analyze, troubleshoot, manage, and administer hardware, software, networking, and cybersecurity systems. And during your training, you'll have the opportunity to earn critical industry certifications for CompTIA IT Fundamentals, A+, Network Plus, and Security Plus. And with these credentials, you'll have the tools to begin a successful new career. Now is the perfect time to begin your new career at Ayers. Contact us today for more information about upcoming classes.